Hello and welcome to your next car and the walk around video for the 420D M Sport Gran Coupe in mineral grey. So alongside the very nice exterior colour, we've also made the addition of a full Your Next Car and Performance body styling kit to this extremely high spec vehicle. And alongside that, in addition to a already very nice exterior, we've added a set of the BMW 442M alloy wheels that we've had professionally refurbished in the gloss black. At the front of the car, as well as seeing it's a 2017 17 plate, in the lower front grille you'll see a square round plate. That is for the radar guided cruise control that this vehicle also has, and we will talk more about that shortly. Down the side of the car excuse me, you'll also be able to see it's a very clean and tidy example, as well as our satin side vinyls, matching sidebars and the YNC Mperformance decals. It also comes with the sun protection glazing on this car. And as you can see there, everything working very nicely with that mineral grey that we've made in addition to the car. The interior is the black Dakota leather, which in the front comes with both the heated and electric lumbar options. It has got the 8-speed sports automatic gearbox. And I shall now show you the rear seats, which again, got a 3-seat Isofix rear bench, a central folding armrest, and of course a darkened M Sport headlining. Before heading round to the very rear of the car, we'll of course show you those alloys once again, all in fantastic condition, being freshly refurbished, and all come with the premium mixed run flats. We've got a satin rear boot spoiler and a high gloss rear diffuser on this car, and you do of course get an automatic opening and closing tailgate on the Gran Coupes, which then reveals a huge boot space. You can of course make that larger because you do and have the option to remove both the top and bottom partial shelves, along with split folding seats. Round at the other side of the car, again we can show you that the mineral grey really does work nicely with all of those additions we've made, alongside being a nice, clean and tidy example. I shall now go ahead and take a seat inside the car, because there is yet more special items within the interior of this 420D. So now we're sat inside the vehicle. First of all is to talk you a little bit about that radar guided cruise control. Now, traditional cruise control, if you're not sure, obviously you just set the speed and it sits at that speed. However, radar cruise control, similarly so, you set the speed. However, should a vehicle in front of you slow down, the radar guided cruise control will know that, using that plate at the front of the lower front grille that we showed you. It can also speed back up to the set speed that you've set it upon, making it a bit more of a safer cruise control system. However, it's not the only safety system on board this car we have, because we also have got the brake warning collision system as well, that of course can be set up to configure it to your wants and needs. Professional wide navigation and media screen also. As you can see there, that also utilises real-time traffic updates to keep you on the fastest route possible. The car also has got Bluetooth telephone and audio, as well as a wide array of multimedia inputs as well. So as you can see there, we've got music collection, AUX, CD, DVD, alongside USB inputs. However, in terms of keeping yourself charged up and on the go, this vehicle also comes with a nice optional extra in the form of wireless charging dock. So as you can see there, sometimes a little bit difficult to get that to come through. I've placed a device in there and you can see that's charging nicely. Compatible with a huge amount of devices. And you simply slip it in there and forget about it, because of course you can keep connected via Bluetooth. We've also got the heads-up display on this car. Again, sometimes a little bit difficult to get that to come through. That will display speed alongside turn-by-turn directions should you have a sat-nav route set. The vehicle's covered just over 28,000 miles, again as you can see on screen now. So hopefully I've been able to highlight a few of the nice optional extras on this car, as well as show you around the superb condition of this 420D M Sport Gran Coupe. Thanks for taking the time to watch the video, and hopefully we'll see yourselves very, very soon. Of course, if you do want to get in touch, we'll happily answer any questions we can. If you do want to get in touch, there are the contact information in the description, alongside our website link as well. So thank you once again, and hopefully we'll see yourself soon. Do of course take care, and goodbye.